Linking your bank account to MicaSense is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your financial transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your MicaSense account. Visit the MicaSense website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account Linking. Click on this option to proceed to the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account successfully. You may receive a confirmation notification once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to MicaSense and streamline your financial transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance.